2022 GR86. There's a lot of improvements that's been made. The first thing I noticed is the higher pitch exhaust note. And the fact that the torque comes on a lot quicker. Instead of 6,600 RPM, it's 3,700 RPM. And we see increased numbers in torque. It's got about 184 pound-feet and 228 horsepower. So that's a 21 horsepower increase from 207. Not just that, there's a lot of changes in the steering, suspension, so it feels a lot more nimble and agile now. The steering feels very responsive thanks to updated and improved EPS. And also the steering bushings that connects the rack to the subframe are stiffened. So you get a lot more direct steering feel.
Yeah, I had a 2013 BRZ for a couple of years and I loved it.
Oh, really?
Yeah, so I'm excited for this new one.
Yeah, the power delivery is way better now. It's a lot more responsive. Have you driven this track yet?
I have, yeah.
On the Supra?
No, I was in the LC500.
Oh, nice. Sounds a lot better, definitely higher pitch.
Yeah.
And the engine itself too, it feels a lot more free flowing throughout the whole RPM range.
Is the sound all natural?
It is all natural.
Okay.
The chassis also is stiffened by about 50% up front and 60% in the back, thanks to a new structure that connects the upper body to the lower frame. And in the front we have additional diagonal bars that connects the subframe to the frame itself. So everything feels very responsive and direct to the steering wheel. And there you have it. That is the 2022 GR86.
That's awesome. Thanks for the ride.
No problem. It's definitely a driver's car for sure.
Yeah, I can't wait to drive it myself.
Yeah.